This week we have a new font called Holiday Season from Font Bundles. Now it's the freebie that is in the list of all the different freebies, so you may have to search for it. But once you have it installed, let's add some text to the screen. Let's go up here and select our new font. And I'm just typed in Holiday here. It's under System. Once you have it installed, all I have to do is click on it. And as you can see, we have this beautiful holiday font. Of course, red and green are going to be the two things. So let's just change this to Seasons. Let me just type that in. And then I'm going to start another text box, and I'm going to type in Greetings. And that's about all we have to do with this one, and then we can add it to different areas for cards or whatever we want. I'm just going to resize this one so it's approximately the same size. And of course, I'm going to change it to red. Now we have them in two different colors. Now each box is in a different color. If you want each letter done individually in different colors, there's one little trick that you can do right here. And I'm just going to add some text. And let's just go here, Santa, for example. Let's just grab Santa here. I'm going to bring Santa down. Now I'm going to have to ungroup this. So I click on the text box. I'm going to click on Ungroup. And then I can pick on each letter individually. So I'm going to go with the red every second letter. Just click on those letters. And another red one here. And then the two in between. Now I could hit click and shift click to get those two, and I'm going to click on the green. And then once they are together, I'm going to regroup them. So that's how to use this particular font and break it up. And this is called Holiday Season Font, and it's from Font Bundles.